Hello and welcome to Driver's Therapy. Before we start this video, I do have to comment, isn't this shirt really cool? Now I do have to say that I do kind of look like a potato wrapped in saran wrap. That's not my fault. I ordered a large, but I guess I'm slowly migrating to the extra large world. Oh no. But I got it. I waited 2.5 months for the shirt to get here from overseas, and I wanted to wear it. So plus I love 80s, and I think it looks pretty cool. Well, let's go ahead and talk about what we're going to do today. Today we're going to be replacing the fender liners on the NSX. Now, if you think about the NSX, it's about 29 years. Don't test my math. We know it's not good. But when I was doing the downforce scoop, you have to remove the liner. And when I removed the liner, I mean, it was hard. It just looked bad. And it had 29 years of just abuse and things hitting it. Because the fender liners, that's what they're designed for. They're designed to protect your fender, to ricochet those pebbles and dirt and any road debris or anything like that that your tires kick up. So what I decided to do is I ordered a pair for the rear from MITA Motorsports, and what I did in conjunction with that is I also bought some clips, because if the fender liner is old, then the clips are old. So I was like, you know what, let's make sure we do the job well. So what we're gonna do in this video is Rich is gonna do one side, just, you know, if both sides are the same. So we'll just show you on video how one side looks. We'll show you the before and after, and I think it's just a nice touch, because when you look at the NSX, you know, you might not catch it, but but it's a nice little detail. It's gonna be nice, clean, a fresh fender liner on an NSX. All right, guys, let's go ahead and get started. To start, we're going to chalk block the front, and then we're going to go ahead and make sure the emergency brake is on. Take off cap, loosen, aka break the lug nuts. All right, now we're going to lift the car up, but on a continuation with our past video, look guys, we're using the adapter for the jack. If you haven't seen that video, it's really cool. This thing makes me use the jack correctly. Okay, to start the job, I have a Phillips screwdriver, and I have this a little upholstery / trim removal tool. It came in a little tool set from Amazon, and this is the tools we should need. Okay, so let's look at our old fender liner. Let's see what 30 years or 29 years looks like. Nothing too crazy. It looks pretty normal to me. So let's get started with removing it. Okay, I'm going to go for the easy fish, and that's just these screws. All right, I do feel a little bit of resistance, so I feel it's like one of those little plastic backings in the back. Hopefully they stay in place. As I unscrew this, I hear rocks falling down. Okay, a lot of rocks are falling down. Let it rain! Oh snap! Look how many rocks came out. All right, and we'll come around here. There's a screw over here. Oh, if you look over here, guys, look at that. There's a tear on this one. Another reason to replace them. All right. Got a little bit of resistance on here. I try to keep all the hardware where they, I try to put it back where it came from, but I usually lose stuff when I kick it. All right, the next thing we're gonna do is these little clips. These are kind of a pain in the butt. Sometimes you push them in, and then, so what I did is I pushed that one in, and then pushed out. So if you didn't see it, we'll do another one. I push it in. Okay, it's making me look bad. Kind of pushed in. Oh, let's use our handy screwdriver. Okay, that one's not wanting to come off. Let's go to the next one. That one pushed in really easy. Out. Let's go to the next one. Okay, that one disintegrated. And I didn't push too hard on that one. Almost should tell you guys to wear some iPro when we do this. All right. See, now I'm like mentally being defeated in my head by the one that we skipped, so it's like I want to come back to it. Ugh. All right, let's see. Okay, here we go. Ugh. Okay. This one is being a pain. Let's see if we could just... Ugh. Something happened. All right, I think I got it. And I think it made it. We'll find out. Some of the, you know, we do want to keep some of these. All right, so I'm gonna come around here and do these. Okay, I didn't push on that one very hard and that disintegrated. So you definitely don't want to do these fender liners without having those extra clips in hand, because they are dropping like flies. All right, let's see. Man, so that one is on there. So some of these are either weathered on here or just loose. All right, we got that one. Whew. I don't know if the camera's catching, but there's all types of stuff falling down from here. It's like, I feel like we're in a archaeology. Okay, there I go again, trying to say words I don't know. All right, guys, we got one more. One more. Oh, it's actually a Phillips, but this Phillips has so much dirt that it was barely noticeable. Okay. All right. Here it is. All right, so when in Rome, we might as well clean off some stuff because there's a lot of stuff here. And since we're not going to remove this fender liner a lot, I'm going to take off anything that fell back here. Look at that, guys. All kinds of stuff is coming out from there. All right, we're going to come around here. There's probably going to be a lot more stuff here. Again, I feel like an archaeologist. Ooh, I got it right. I got it right. Who knows? Who knew I could have got some words right? All right. All right, well, I think if we're seeking perfection, we would be here forever. Oh, guys, I'm lucky I looked in here. There is a whole bunch of rocks in here. We're gonna have to see if we can. And this is why I'm wearing eye protection. All right, let's look in here. All right. Oh, there's like something inside there. Let's see if we can get it. I don't know what it is. It's a clip, one of the clips that exploded. Okay, so you saw all that craziness. What we did is we decided to take the time to clean up. We cleaned up the area, organized some stuff, and we're ready to continue with the install. All right. Okay, so let's go ahead and slide this liner on. All right, and we're gonna put this screw in first. I'm not gonna tighten it all the way down, so I give myself some wiggle room if I need it. Again, these screws have quite a bit of resistance, and it's because it's a plastic backing. Okay, and now the new clips I bought, let's go ahead and put one in and see how it works out. So let's see. right, that kind of was satisfying. All right, let's do the next one. So what I'm doing with the clips is I'm making sure that they're pushed out first, kind of like in this little upsetting, because they get a little upset if you just try to put them in there without doing that. I'm going to come back around. Next one. And then at this time, I'm going to take advantage of these, and I'm going to start putting in the plastic ones. Actually, I don't know if that's a good idea. All right, actually, let's see. Again, I'm going to put these screws in and not tighten them all the way down. All right, and then let's go back to putting in our clips. All right, let's go back to this side. All right. That one's in there. So let's review. All right, we got 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. All right, and then let's look how it looks around here. Let's see. I mean, that looks pretty darn good if you ask me. And then let's go ahead and tighten the screws down now and see what happens. So with these plastic backings, I don't like to go gorilla on them. I like to just get them where they make contact with the surface, and then a little bit of, right, when it makes contact, I just do like a quarter or a half a turn, depending on, there we go. Ladies and gentlemen, our new liner is installed. So we did it. It's all about the small changes. I'm just really excited how it came out. It looks really good. It was a nice fit, and it's just the small things that make a big difference in my opinion. And with all that dirt and pebbles and rocks in there, it was a satisfying job to do. Well guys, that wraps up that video, another one in the books. Well, this was really exciting because I love videos like this. And guys, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. When you guys subscribe, you guys support me, because sometimes I'm going out to random companies and being like, hey, you want to like sponsor me or hook me up with the part so I can make a video about it? They're always asking, how many subscribers do you have? But at the end of the day, guys, we love making these videos, and we thank you for watching, and I hope you guys are staying safe. Stay tuned, and we'll see you soon.